Mercedes-Benz is making some big changes to its electric lineup, and two familiar models are officially on the way out. It's not just the EQE Sedan that will disappear after its current generation. The smaller EQE Sedan is also being phased out. Instead of continuing with these standalone EQ sedans, Mercedes plans to replace them with fully electric versions of its traditional models. That means a zero-emission S-Class and a zero-emission E-Class are coming. Recently, the upcoming electric E-Class was spotted testing in Europe's frozen north, and it already tells an important story. Mercedes is clearly moving away from the blob-like design language that defined the EQE. This new model is officially called the Mercedes-Benz E-Class with EQ technology, which probably surprises no one. The goal here is simple. Mercedes wants to fix what didn't work before, especially the design. Let's be honest, the EQE never won any beauty contests, and this new model is determined not to repeat that mistake. The prototype scene testing features what Mercedes calls its new iconic grille. It uses a lot of chrome and looks very similar to the grille we've already seen on the electric GLC. This design is expected to become a signature feature across Mercedes' future electric lineup, including the upcoming S-Class and C-Class with EQ technology. An illuminated version of this grille is also expected, although it will likely be optional rather than standard. At the front and rear, the test car was fitted with temporary lights, but the final production model will almost certainly use Mercedes' signature star-inspired lighting elements. From the side, the profile looks like a clean evolution of the current E-Class, which is a good thing. It's also nice to see that Mercedes is sticking with traditional side mirrors instead of camera-based systems. However, the door handles are no longer classic in design, as they now feature a newer, more modern look. Visually, the final car is expected to look very close to recent digital renderings created by Kolesa. These illustrations were based on prototype details and give us a realistic idea of what the finished vehicle will look like. So far, we haven't seen the interior, but expectations are already high. The electric E-Class is believed to feature 3 major screens inside, likely similar to the setup used in the new generation CLA. There are also rumors of a massive 39.1-inch display, although we'll wait for official confirmation before getting too excited. Under the skin, the future E-Class with EQ technology is expected to use an 800-volt electrical architecture, allowing for ultra-fast charging speeds of up to 300 kilowatts. Entry-level versions will likely use a single-motor setup, while higher-end trims are expected to feature dual motors with all-wheel drive. The car is believed to be built on Mercedes' new MB.EA platform, meaning it will share more DNA with the electric GLC than with the outgoing EQE, aside from the grille design. As for timing, the electric E-Class is still a couple of years away from reaching dealerships. That said, Mercedes could delay it even further to continue selling the current EQE sedan for as long as possible. Still, based on everything we've seen so far, the final production model should look very close to these renderings, and honestly, it's shaping up quite nicely. But now the real question is this: do you like the new direction Mercedes is taking with its electric E-Class? Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to New Cars Technology for the latest news, spy shots, and deep dives into the future of cars.